Why bank transfers still take days and who's slowing them down. You send money in seconds. A message travels instantly. A video loads in milliseconds. You can talk to someone on the other side of the world, live. So here's the question. Why does your money still take days to arrive? Not minutes, not seconds, days, in 2026. Let's make this real. It's Friday afternoon. You send a bank transfer. It leaves your account instantly. Your balance goes down immediately. But the other person, they won't see that money until Monday or even Tuesday. And if there's a weekend or a holiday, good luck. Now think about that for a second. Your money is gone, but it hasn't arrived. So where is it? Here's the truth no one explains clearly. Your money doesn't actually move the way you think it does. When you send a transfer, especially between banks or countries, the money isn't just going from A to B. Instead, banks are sending messages to each other. They're saying, hey, this person wants to send this amount. But the actual settlement, the real movement of money, happens later. Sometimes much later. This system is built on something called trust layers. Banks don't fully trust each other in real time, so they use intermediaries, clearing systems, correspondent banks, central institutions. Each one adds time, each one adds friction, and each one takes a cut. Let's take a simple example. You send money from Europe to the US. Your bank doesn't directly connect to the other bank. Instead, it might go through 2, 3, even 4 different banks along the way. Each one processes the transaction. Each one checks compliance. Each one delays the process just a bit. Now multiply that by millions of transactions every day. That's why it takes time. But that's not the whole story. Because here's where it gets interesting. The delay isn't just a technical problem. It's also a feature. While your money is in transit, it's sitting inside the banking system. Not in your account, not in the receiver's account. In between, and during that time, banks can use it. This is called float. Even if it's just for a short period, across billions of transactions, it becomes massive. That delay generates value, for them, not for you. So the system has never been in a hurry to fix it. Because from their perspective, it's not broken. Now you might be thinking, okay, but technology exists. We can send anything instantly. Why not money? Exactly, we already have the technology. In fact, in some places, instant payments already exist. But globally, the system is still slow. Because upgrading the financial system isn't like updating an app. It's replacing decades of infrastructure, regulations, legacy systems, risk controls, power structures. And here's the key point: speed removes control. When money moves instantly, you lose the ability to stop it, reverse it, filter it. Banks and institutions rely on time to manage risk, compliance, and oversight. So every delay you experience is also a control mechanism. Let's bring it back to your daily life. You sell something online. The buyer sends the money. You wait, and wait, and wait, until finally, it arrives. Only then do you feel safe to release the product. That delay creates uncertainty, friction, stress. Now imagine doing that at scale. Businesses waiting on payments, suppliers delaying shipments. People are completely stuck between transactions. Time becomes a cost. And yet, we've accepted it. Because it's normal. But normal doesn't mean efficient. Now here's where things start to shift. New systems are emerging that move money differently. Not in days, not in hours, but instantly. No intermediaries, no delays, no in between. Value moves the same way information moves. Directly. And when that happens, everything changes. Payments become real-time. Global transactions become seamless. And the idea of waiting days for your own money starts to feel absurd. ISO 20022, CBDC's XRP global settlement will be part of this new financial world very, very soon. Remember my words. So next time you send a bank transfer and it takes days, remember this: it's not because we can't go faster. It's because the system was never designed to. And once you see that, you start to question everything else about how money really works. Subscribe now and join the journey for more insights.